In this video, we'll guide you through the process of customizing your notification settings in the Yahoo Sports app. Whether you're using a mobile device, we'll show you how to tailor alerts to suit your preferences, ensuring you stay updated without unnecessary interruptions. First, open the Yahoo Sports app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the profile icon. Then, scroll down and tap on the Settings option. After that, choose Customize Notifications. Here, you'll find various categories of notifications, such as breaking news, trending news, betting and gaming, and others. Now you can toggle off any categories you don't wish to receive notifications for. Finally, exit the settings, and your preferences will be saved automatically. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.